Nestled above the city's hustle, podium gardens offer a peaceful retreat. But even in these thoughtfully designed spaces, certain issues can tarnish the experience. Surface imperfections like cracks and unevenness, along with invasive weeds, can quickly diminish the beauty and functionality of any space. Such infestations and algae formations can create safety hazards for residents, leading to trips, falls, or severe health risks. Ongoing problems like these weigh heavily on the budget, leading to repetitive and costly maintenance. But there is a solution. Introducing PrismDecor from the Floors Prismatic range by Prism RMC. PrismDecor is a colorful concrete that transforms any space into a work of art with its easy application process. With a longer life, UV-resistant colors, and virtually no maintenance, PrismDecor rejuvenates podium gardens, walkways, parking areas, etc., making them beautiful and long-lasting. This vibrant, durable concrete comes in various shapes, sizes, and patterns, perfect for podium gardens and other key areas. PrismDecor offers several key advantages: longer life, extremely aesthetic, UV-resistant colors, no maintenance, enhanced safety, elegant design. Whether for residential podium gardens, commercial plazas, or public spaces, PrismDecor offers unparalleled durability, elegance, and ease of use. Say goodbye to costly repairs, safety concerns, and environmental damage. PrismDecor has you covered.